If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be affecting your ability to connect with other players. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring or Bandai Namco website to check if the game's servers are down or undergoing maintenance. If the servers are offline, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Adjust network settings. If you're using a firewall or VPN, try disabling them temporarily. Additionally, check your NAT type in your console or PC settings. NAT type of open is ideal for online gaming. If necessary, adjust your router settings to enable UPnP. Step 5. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, uninstall and then reinstall Elden Ring. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. Make sure to back up your saved data if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to address the Matchmaking Error 2025 in Elden Ring. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.